So for example 2, we're going to do another example on curly brace and backticks for string formatting. So for example 2, let's initialize a height in centimeters. So we'll say var height centimeters, and remember camel case. Whenever we're dealing with JavaScript, we're going to use camel case. And I'll just put 160 because that'll be the centimeters for the height. And then I'm going to put another variable, let's say sentence, because I'll call the sentence later to console log it, but for right now I'll just make the sentence directly in another variable. And I'm going to be using backticks. Again, backticks are located directly under your escape key on your keyboard, these little backticks. They're not the same as the single quotes, so make sure you use backticks, because if you do the $ curly brace, you can see it changes to this other color. And if you do not use backticks and you use single quotes, you can see it's going to think that it's part of the sentence, but it's not. So we're going to go back to the backticks. And in the sentence here, I'm going to say I am, and then I'm going to call the variable inside these curly brace, height centimeters, cm tall. And we can see here that we still have that highlighted curly brace with the $. And I'm just going to call it node index.js. Oh, we forgot to console log it, so let's go console.log sentence and run node.js. And we'll say I am 160 centimeters tall. So you can see if I change this to a single quote, you can see how this $ in curly brace is not highlighted. And if I run this, it will say I am $ curly brace height centimeters curly brace centimeter tall. That's not what we wanted. Always make sure you use the backticks that are located on your keyboard. So I run it. I am 160 centimeters tall. Perfect.